Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to enable Chrome extensions develop more. So guys, if you want to enable Chrome extension developer mode, so very easy. Firstly open Chrome browser. After click on three dots and here more tools. Click on more tools. After click on extensions, that is, and if you want to enable developer mode, so slash toggle on position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable Chrome extensions developer mode in Chrome browser. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.